I leverage that resource? And that's exactly what we did here at Regeneron. Say, okay, let me look to see what's out there. I need critical to quality elements. I need KRIs. I need QTLs. I don't need to reimagine all of these things. What can I look and learn from either industry consortiums like Transcelerate and CDISC to other resources that have been published? And so it makes it easier to say, okay, and now I can trace through and look at it as more of a formulaic way of viewing this. So, example, let's say that you have, a phase 3 oncology trial. It's got, a critical endpoint of six-month progression-free survival, let's say. So it really requires on-time CT scans for that. My critical to quality would be, okay, I need a CT scan within plus or minus 7 days. My KRI, maybe I'm looking for the percentage of scans that are actually late. And so this is more of a time-bound thing. I'm looking for these things. Whereas my quality tolerance limit, my QTL, is that I need less than 10% cumulative late. And that way, if I know they exceed that, I can react and put in my playbook, okay, this is how I'm going to react if this happens. But now I'm able to differentiate very clearly to someone like in an inspection setting to say, I was able to string these things together to give me some complete response to something and then have planned out what that response would be. And that is something that is not only good for the patients and the overall study conduct, but to our regulators, it really shows that saying, okay, I'm able to score things. I'm actually able to not just say, well, I'm super diligent, I'm looking at everything all the time and kind of in the process driving everybody crazy. I'm actually focusing on the stuff that matters. And so using those elements helps us get it down to something that's much more bite-sized and tangible to put into place. And then as this becomes commonplace in the industry, it will transfer between each sponsor.